Are you looking for a way to get involved and serve your community? Make new friends? Even pick up a little extra money? Join our team and become a Fairfax County election officer. Fairfax County needs more than 1,000 additional election officers. But you're probably wondering, just what does an election officer do? Here's a quick peek into what Election Day looks like for a typical election officer. You wake up really early in order to arrive at 5 a.m. to help set up your polling place. Election officers are required to stay once the polls open at 6 a.m., so it's important to remember food and snacks. Many precincts organize potlucks to keep things fun, or you can pack your own food for the day. Election Day can be exciting and busy, so make sure you bring your stamina. Also, pack a great attitude and friendly smile, and please leave your political opinions at home. Make sure equipment is ready to go. You understand your assignment and you take the oath. Then it begins. Some of the responsibilities you may have include checking in voters, helping voters with voting machines, monitoring lines, putting up signs, and answering lots of questions. But don't worry, you won't be expected to know everything. Experienced election officers will be on hand to help or handle tricky situations. The Office of Elections is also only a phone call away to provide you with help. The polls close at 7 p.m., but you will stay another hour or so to help tally the results of your precinct and to pack up the voting equipment. The last and most important step? Go home, put up your feet and pat yourself on the back for serving your community, your county, and your country. Before you get to Election Day, there are a few steps. Apply online, send an email, or simply call the Office of Elections. Please also let us know if you are bilingual. If you are, we really need your help. Once you hear back from us, you will need to do some paperwork and provide identification. Keep in mind, you must be a registered Virginia voter in order to be an election officer. The next step is training. We want to make sure you're prepared for Election Day, so you will need to attend a mandatory training session at a location near you. There's also plenty of helpful information about your duties online, including videos. So okay, this looks doable, but what's in it for you? You will be paid a $175 stipend, and you will also finish your long day with a feeling of satisfaction, new leadership skills, and even a few new friends. We need you. Contact the Fairfax County Office of Elections and become an election officer today.